This is India. Embark on a visual journey with us as we drive from Trivandrum to Thoothukudi via NH66, capturing the breathtaking natural beauty of Nagercovil and surrounding areas. As we drive along the winding roads, the majestic windmills will start to appear on the horizon, their towering presence a testament to India's commitment to renewable energy. We'll pass through the charming town of Nagercovil, nestled in the heart of the Kanyakumari district, and continue on our winding path through the scenic mountains. Deep within the majestic Western Ghats lies a sacred gem that beckons the adventurous and the devout. Welcome to the Aralvaimozhi Murugan Temple, situated atop a breathtaking mountain peak. To reach this revered shrine, one must embark on a thrilling trek, navigating rugged trails and winding footpaths. The journey is not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are well worth the effort. As we ascend the mountain, the scenery unfolds like a canvas of natural beauty. Lush green forests, sparkling waterfalls, and rugged rock formations create a dramatic backdrop for our adventure. The trekking trail winds its way up the mountain with steep inclines and uneven terrain. But with every step, the air grows cooler, the sounds of nature grow louder, and the sense of anticipation grows stronger. As we slowly back away, giving our slithery friend plenty of space, we can't help but feel a sense of wonder and respect for the wild creatures that call this landscape home. Finally, we reach the summit, where the stunning Aralvaimozhi Murugan temple awaits. This sacred shrine is dedicated to Lord Murugan, and its tranquil atmosphere is a perfect antidote to the stresses of modern life. As we explore the temple and its surroundings, we are treated to breathtaking views of the valley below. The wind whispers through the trees, and the sun casts a golden glow over the landscape. This is a journey that will test your physical limits, but reward your spirit. The Aralvaimozhi Murugan Temple is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure, serenity, and a deeper connection with nature and the divine. This is not just a visit to a mountaintop temple, it's an immersive experience that puts us in touch with the raw energy of the natural world. And as we stand there, battered by the wind, we can't help but feel alive. As we stand at the summit, gazing out at the breathtaking panorama below, our eyes are drawn to a stunning sight, the Muppandal windmill farm stretching out as far as the eye can see. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves surrounded by a sea of green, the lush paddy fields of Tutukudi. The warm sunlight casts a golden glow over the landscape, and the air is filled with the sweet scent of ripening grain. But this isn't just a picturesque landscape, it's also a heaven for bird life. As we gaze out over the fields, we are treated to a stunning spectacle. Flocks of birds, in every shape and size, flit and flutter through the skies. From the majestic eagles soaring overhead to the tiny sparrows darting through the grass, every species seems to be represented here. The air is filled with their sweet songs, and the sound of their wings beating against the wind. As we wander through the fields, we are struck by the sheer diversity of this avian paradise. It's a truly magical experience, and one that leaves us feeling awestruck and inspired. As we observe these waterbirds in their natural habitat, we are struck by their serenity and beauty. It's a truly magical experience, one that leaves us feeling peaceful and inspired. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the stunning views. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.